This is really cool. Like, I know I already said this like 10 times, but hello and welcome to my channel. This is what we're gonna be doing today. This is the Just for Men mustache and beard dye, but today we're gonna be using it on our eyebrows. I saw a lot of girls doing this on TikTok. They were using this to dye their eyebrows and they were saving a lot of money instead of going to the salon every month or two and getting them done. This is permanent hair color. This lasts a couple weeks. I was pretty curious because I don't have much going on there. It'd be cool to not have to like do my brows for a couple weeks. Let me show you guys my little setup here. I have some Q-tips in case I mess up because you don't want to get this around the skin of your eyebrows. So if that gets on my skin on the outside, I'm gonna wipe it off with a Q-tip. We get the color base and the developer. It comes with this little brush, but I'm not gonna use too much, but I'm just gonna squeeze like an even amount. And for whatever reason, it says don't mix with the bristle end, so we're gonna use the back of this. Unfortunately, I don't have the brush that I want to use. I'm gonna be using this. It's like a smaller spoolie. I'm nervous because I don't know if this color that I got was too dark. I have a really light complexion. I'm gonna take the spoolie. I do have a little bit of a bald spot like right there, so I'm gonna try to fill that in by just putting a little bit on my skin because it does stain. It does by putting a little bit of it on my skin because it does stain. Why the fuck? It does stain. So it's getting darker already. Wow, that worked really fast. I'm not even gonna lie, like this is a little intimidating because I'm very like particular about my eyebrows. This dye, you know, it's gonna last for a couple weeks. You don't want them being too overpowering. I don't want them looking crazy now. I want them looking natural. If you mess up like dyeing your eyebrows, there's no way to, like, what are you gonna do? I'll leave this one on for about 5 more minutes. I probably should have plucked my eyebrows before I did this. This is messy. I was freaking out because it got really fucking dark and I was like, oh my God, it's getting dark so fast. It's like all over the place. I like immediately washed my face and like, this is what we have. And you can do it like over and over and over again. So like, it's like really dark like right there. So if I want kind of even it out, but I'm gonna pluck them up a little bit because ew, and what the fuck is this? I actually went and did some tweezing because they were a little messy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the dye again after I do this one, and I'm just gonna even out the darkness. This color, like I'm not gonna lie, like this looks pretty good. We're gonna do this eyebrow now. So sorry if you can hear the rain. It is like pouring outside. Just rinsed this one off. This one is a little bit darker, but like I said, you can go over it and like do it again. I think I'm gonna do both of them over. This is pretty cool. Like this is really cool. I actually like this. I don't want to fill in my brows with makeup anymore. I'll just wake up like this. This is so convenient. I also wanted to mention this was $11. You can keep these and reuse these. Like this will literally last me 6 months. There's so much in these and you just need like a little tiny bit.
That's crazy.
When I went to the beach a few weeks ago, I had to put makeup on every time like we went out to dinner, and this would have been so convenient if I like did this before. So I wanted to brush these out really quickly just so I can see if I could get them to sit the way I wanted them to. And I know what you're thinking, they aren't even. One is so much darker than the other. That's why in the natural sunlight, I was able to go back and redo the left one to match the right. As you can see right here, this is my eyebrow, no dye, no makeup. This is a photo of when they were completely done the next day. I think they came out really good. Also, don't forget to watch my last video. It's how I did my makeup in high school. I filled my eyebrows in a sickening way. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you in my next video. Bye.